Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. I'm Tasha and today we are unboxing this Philips air fryer. Now that we are done removing the upper polythene, we are now going to open up this box and see what we have inside. But before I open, I can see here some descriptions of the machine in here. You can see it chooses rapid air technology, it's touchscreen, it has dishwasher, safe parts and a 2-year guarantee. But so let's open it up by cutting open this part. Now it's open. Don't know if you can see, and this is how it looks from the top. So first of all, we have this manual. It should help you operate your machine if you don't really know what to do. So let's put this aside for now. We also have this is definitely to protect it from things that may happen on the outside, maybe falling by mistake. And now we have a machine and it's also covered. Okay, and now I am removing our machine from the box. Here it is. So I'll remove the box for a better view. We'll put that right there, and now we have this. Let me just. It's kind of filled at the bottom, but I can't manage to carry it, so I'm just doing that. Cut that open. And there you go. Let me remove this. And place that there. Let me now show you the back of this machine. You've already seen the price. So this is the mains cable. Just plug that in. Okay, you already know that, but still plug that in the socket. Yeah, and now I have to remove these stickers over here. I don't know if you can see them, but we have this sticker over here, or a kind of a tape. This one over here, and you also have one like this one on this other side. So I just do that. removing this sticker, you can see that we have this part. So this is the touchscreen part. This is where you'll operate your machine from. You'll configure, choose everything that you want. You will do all that from this part. And we have this part. You just open it up like that. Yeah, that is how it looks inside. And this looks like that. So if you're planning to buy your machine or you've already bought it, when you're unboxing it, you should have this in mind. This is your expectation, and this is how it looks when it is straight from the box. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, you might consider subscribing, leaving us a like and a comment also, and see you in our next video. Bye.